Today we're using Duncan Hines Dolly Parton banana signature cake. So we're gonna go ahead and try this, you guys, and see how it turns out. So we're going to go ahead and pour our cake mix into the bowl. Then you're gonna need a half a stick of melted butter. 1 cup of cold milk. And then you're going to need 2 eggs. 2 eggs. You're going to go ahead and give this a good mix all together. I'm going to make cupcakes. So yeah, everybody just mix it all together. Let's see how it happens. The recipe calls for milk instead of water. So just give it a good old stir. Combine everything together. Our batter is mixed up, so now we're going to use our cupcake tins and put our papers in there. Go ahead and start dropping in your tins inside your cupcake pan. Our cupcake tins are in, so now we're going to start putting in our cake mix inside the cups. So yes, we're going to use an ice cream scooper. And go ahead and drop it inside the tins. You're probably going to need like a scoop and a half in each one. So just keep repeating. Alright, you guys, let's put these in the oven on 350 for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Our cupcakes just came out of the oven, so now we'll allow them to cool for 10 minutes or so they won't be so hot. Our cupcakes has cooling down. Now we're going to start icing in them with some cream cheese icing. You drop some little pink pearls on top with our cream cheese. There you have it, you guys. Banana cream cheese cupcakes. Good time for Easter.